Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to access Velo in Wix Studio. Now, if you're looking to take your Wix projects to the next level, Velo is a really powerful tool that lets you add custom functionality and more advanced features to your website. It might seem a bit intimidating at first, especially if you're new to coding, but once you understand how to access it, everything becomes much easier to work with. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly where to find Velo inside Wix Studio and how to get started with it the right way. Whether you're trying to add custom interactions, connect databases, or just explore more advanced options, this is a great place to begin. So make sure you stick around and follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access Velo and start using it in your own projects. First thing we want to do is go to our Wix Studio. Sometimes you access Velo, it appears right on the left. If you can't see it, go to the option that says Dev Mode. Then a new option appears where we click the one and only button that says Turn on Dev Mode. Once you click Dev Mode, take a moment to look around and see the new feature that appear. This mode opens up a lot of tools that let you customize your site in ways you couldn't before. As you can see at the bottom, the Velo appears. But if you already turned on Dev Mode and still you can't see it, click the button on the left side of the screen, which looks like a bracket. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to access Velo in Wix Studio. As you can see, once you know where to look, it's really simple to get started and opens up a lot of possibilities for customizing your website. Velo allows you to add advanced features, connect databases, and create interactions that go beyond the standard Wix options, which makes it a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their site. I highly recommend taking some time to explore the different options available in Velo so you can start experimenting and seeing what works best for your projects. The more you familiarize yourself with it, the more confident you'll become in using it to create exactly what you envision. Once you've tried it out a few times, adding custom functionality will become much more natural, and you'll see just how much flexibility Wix Studio gives you with Velo. It really can transform the way you build and manage your websites. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.